This question is on echo of sound waves. The question says the echo of a sound of wavelength 1.5 meters and frequency 200 Hz emitted by a source is heard at the source 1 second later. The distance of the source from the reflector is. To solve this question, it has to do with reflection of sound from a plane surface. Consider if this is a plane surface, you have a source of sound that generates sound wave, and the sound will reflect from the plane surface back to the source. From this point to this point, indicate the distance. Indicate the distance which from the source to the plane surface. Here we have the wavelength is given to us, which is 1.5 meters, and the frequency of the wave 200 Hz. The time to reflect to and fro is 1.0 seconds. And in the question, we are asked to find the distance from the source to where it's reflected, it has been reflected as the plane surface. That will be x, which we don't know. Generally, for sound wave to reflect from a plane surface, the speed of that sound is given by twice the distance all over the time. Also remember the speed of wave generally is given as the frequency times the wavelength. These two will constitute, they are equal. That means the 2x all over the time is equals to the frequency times the wavelength, making x the subunit of formula, the distance. That will give us the frequency, the wavelength, time, all over 2. We substitute the value to find x. The frequency is 200 and the wavelength is 1.5. The time is 1 second all over 2. Using a calculator, that will give us 150 meters. So the distance of the source from the reflector is 150 meters.